Around that place for about half an hour trying to find you
Kristen
guys.
was looking for us. I said, didn't you hear the bell?
I did hear the bell, and then I ran
ding.
to the bell, and it was, I believe, some of the pageant queens.
Yeah,
We were right across the street from them.
I don't know what happened. My mind was in the clouds.
But the good point, you said people were coming up to you going, is it going to snow? Is it going to snow?
A lot of people were asking about that. And so, yeah, you know, it is looking pretty likely that we'll get some snow coming into the northern portion of the Willamette Valley. But the farther south you go, the better your chances are. And it looks like it's going to be quite the event for places like Bend and in the Cascades down in Lane County, as heavy snow is in the forecast for you starting early tomorrow morning. 36 degrees right now in Portland. East winds at 12. East winds are going to pick up as we head through the night tonight. It feels like it's 28. So at times we'll see wind chills in the low to mid 20s and maybe even into the upper teens with some of those higher gusts, especially late tonight. So temperatures hovering close to freezing as we head towards 11 p.m. Most of us will dip down below freezing tonight, right around 30 for a low here in Portland. And again, winds picking up, gusting to 30 miles an hour. Wind advisory goes into effect starting at midnight tonight. It goes until 8 p.m. Wednesday, and we'll have to watch for some gusts approaching 40 miles an hour here, and then of course East Metro may see some higher gusts there. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast tomorrow. We start off dry, we start off cold, temperatures in the low to mid 30s, and then for the rest of the day we're at the freezing mark or below. So as this moisture moves in, we're going to be looking at potential snow, and really it starts to arrive in the early part of the afternoon, so lunch hour, but best chances will be between probably 2 and 4 o'clock there, and then we could see it linger into the first part of the evening. So snow will be developing from south to north. The big deal with this storm system is just how far north this low is going to track. Right now, most of the forecast models coming into better agreement that it's going to track to the north, and it just barely brushes northern portions of the Willamette Valley with that moisture before it heads to central and eastern locations. So it looks like we could actually see higher snow totals down towards the Salem area out of this. So this is how it's timing out. As we head towards 8 a.m., we have a mix of rain and snow developing down towards Eugene. It may start off as a mix, but it changes over to snow. There's plenty of cold air to go around for that. As it heads into Salem, same thing. And then as we go into the afternoon, that switch to snow. And then, of course, as we go into that rush hour tomorrow afternoon and even into the early part of the evening, we'll likely see a combination of wind and snow pushing into Portland and perhaps into southwest Washington as well. And while it's not likely that the low is going to try to track a little bit farther to the north, it's still not out of the realm of possibility. So we'll have to watch out for that, and if that happens, we may have to up the snow totals a bit. But right now, it looks like 1 to 2 inches perhaps for the Portland metro area, with many of us maybe just picking up a dusting at that. Central and eastern Oregon, of course, the snow will linger a little bit. This is 8 p.m. and already starting to see it move on out of here. So drying things out very quickly, a quick hitting system, but the cold stays in place, which means the problems on the roads will stay in place. In fact, the cold sticking around into the weekend. So what to expect? Portland Metro, timing for us mainly noon and afternoon. A trace to 2 inches will be possible. Central Valley, wintry mix, changing over to snow, 2 to 4 inches, maybe some isolated areas seeing a little more. For the gorge, late morning through the evening hours, we'll see probably between 1 to 3 inches towards western ends of the gorge. You get to Hood River and east, and those totals will go up just a little bit more. And then Central Oregon, 12 to 18 inches possible. We could be looking at a foot of snow easily for Bend. And of course, Lapine and Sun River could see more than that. Eastern Oregon, 8 to 12 inches. And then for the coast, just going to be mainly dry with this system. And we'll be watching for a little bit of snow, perhaps in the coast range. But again, everything's kind of shifting to the east with this. So your storm total, snow total forecast here. You can see the bullseye right here over in the Lane County Cascades up towards Bend, where we could see a foot to a foot and a half of snow. And then zooming on in closer to the metro area and the valley, back towards Salem, 2 to 4 inches possibly, and then anywhere from a dusting to an inch. And you can see how it just kind of cuts things off as we go into southwest Washington there. So it is going to take that abrupt shift to the east as we go through the day. So your highs tomorrow will be in the mid 30s. We'll have snow developing down into the 20s tomorrow night, 37 Thursday, cold and dry both Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday too. We could see a little more light snow Sunday, and then we're not talking about 40-degree temperatures again until next Tuesday. And look at the lows at night into the teens and 20s.
On a scale of 1 to 10, if you're in Salem, chances of snow tomorrow?
Oh, I would say probably like a 9.
I like a 9. And here in Portland, we're about a 5 right now?
Probably about a 5, yeah.
Okay.
You know, there is a possibility it may not hit us at all. There's a possibility we could get hit harder, but I still think we'll see something.
Let me throw this out. If you're in San Diego, what do you think?
In San Diego? Oh, you're all good.
You're more than good
right?
there. We'll be right